Insurance agents, ano nga ba talagang ibig sabihin ng sale? A sale is an acceptance by a person to make a change in their life. A sale doesn't happen just because someone buys, no? It happens when someone decides to change. As insurance agents, kadalasan masyado kang nagpo-focus sa presentation, sa product, at most especially sa benta. Kaya pagdating sa decision making, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. Your client is silently asking, mananatili ba ako sa ganitong klaseng sitwasyon? Or do I need to protect my future? When someone gets insurance, they are accepting change. From uncertainty to security, from risk to protection, and from bahala na to peace of mind. Yan yung totoong selling. Hindi pressure, kundi progress. The best agent understand this. Hindi lang sila naghahabol ng benta. Tinutulungan nila yung clients para makita yung consequences. They help them realize, ano nga ba yung mangyayari kung maghihintay lang sila? What happens if they do nothing? And what happens when life changes tomorrow? Because sometimes, people don't need more information. They need courage para magdesisyon. And your role is not just to sell. It's to lead, to guide, and to help them move from hesitation to action. So the next time you meet a client, remember this. Hindi ka lang nagbebenta ng insurance. You are helping someone to make one of the most important decisions in their life. And that is, ladies and gentlemen, what real selling looks like.